Bird on the street.
Alright, so today Bird on the Street is about the Grammy. So who do you think will get Song of the Year? Formation by Beyonce, Hello by Adele, I Took a Pill in Ibiza by Mike Posner, Love Yourself by Justin Bieber, or 7 Years by Lucas Graham?
Adele.
Thank you. Alright, Alyssa, today we are going to be talking about the Grammy. So who do you think will get Album of the Year? 25 by Adele, Purpose by Justin Bieber, Views by Drake, Lemonade by Beyonce, or Sailor's Guide to Earth by Sturgill Simpson?
Oh, definitely Lemonade by Beyonce. I'm a freshman.
Perfect. So today we are going to be talking about the Grammys, and if you could please tell me, who do you think is going to win Record of the Year? We have Formation by Beyonce, Work, Rihanna and Drake, Hello by Adele, 7 Years, Lucas Graham, and Stressed Out by 21 Pilots.
I think Hello by Adele for sure.
Perfect. Today we are going to be talking about the Grammys, and if you could please tell me, who do you think is going to win Best Pop Solo Performance? Your options are Love Yourself by Justin Bieber, Hold Up by Beyonce, Piece by Piece, Kelly Clarkson, Hello, Adele, or Dangerous Woman by Ariana Grande?
Probably Beyonce.
Who do you think is going to win Best Pop Duo? Your options are Work, Rihanna and Drake, Closer, The Chainsmokers featuring Halsey, Cheap Thrills, Sia featuring Sean Paul, 7 Years, Lucas Graham, or Stressed Out, 21 Pilots?
Probably the Chainsmokers one. Closer.
Talking about the Grammys, and we're focusing on Best New Artist. So our options today are Maren Morris, The Chainsmokers, Kalisa Ballerini, Chance the Rapper, and Anderson .Paak.
I would go with the Chainsmokers. I don't know any of the other ones.